Today on Explain Lawn Care Like I'm 5, we're going to talk about preventing weeds. I'm going to give you the information you need so that you can be successful without going into the crazy details and scientific mumbo-jumbo that you probably don't care about anyways. Alright, so we've got a lawn here. Some lawns look better than others, but we can work on that stuff later. But the problem is most people have weed seeds all throughout the ground. The wind will blow them in, animals will bring them in. Sometimes our kids will get those little dandelion puffs and blow those around, and no matter how much you scream at them, it happens. But there's something we can do about it. What you do is you put down a pre-emergent. Most people will know about Scott's Step 1. That has a pre-emergent in it. So you put it down, and this is where most people get it wrong. They either put it down too late, so the weeds are already there, or they forget the most critical part. You need to water it in. That's where the magic happens. Those granulars, or if you use the liquid version, the concentrate of the liquid will spread out through the soil and create a barrier. And that barrier will prevent those seeds from germinating. And as long as that barrier's there, nothing's going to grow and you'll be happy and fine. Now the problem is a lot of people will start to do stuff in their lawns. Sometimes they'll get their lawn aerated and they've already put pre-emergent down. Well, that aeration now just pulled holes through that barrier. And so weeds will pop up. Now another issue most people have is they put down the wrong amount. Because the season of weeds is basically all summer long, you need to apply the correct amount. If you put down too little, as it fades away naturally from the sunlight or from the rain, it's just not going to be able to work. And so it'll start to fade away and then you'll have the same issues again. So some of them will actually say reapply in so many months, and others you can apply at a rate at 8 months at a time. So you're good to go. And that's really all there is to it. Most people get all like frustrated and think this is like some really big deal. It's not. You just need to put it down before the weeds are germinating, and you need to water it in so that barrier is there. And then you'll be protected all season long. Now, if you want to see how to apply pre-emergent, I've got videos on that. I personally prefer to use a liquid version because you can get the granules in bulk. You get a bottle that'll last you years. Just mix them in with water, spray it on, you're good to go. It's very cost effective. But if you are nervous about doing liquid spraying, just get the Step 1, put it down, make sure you get a good coverage everywhere, and you gotta water it in. That's critical. There you have it. It's really not that difficult. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. It's what makes this really enjoyable and fun, making all these videos. And be sure to check out the ones below. Have a great day. Bye.